arbitrationagreements.org. Greetings, everyone. Today we will delve into the world of law and focus specifically on the enforcement of arbitral awards. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Let's start out by defining the concept of an arbitral award. An arbitral award is the decision made by an arbitration tribunal in a dispute. This process is chosen over traditional court cases for various reasons: efficiency, flexibility, confidentiality, and the ability to select the arbitrators with the relevant expertise. Once an award has been made, the next step is enforcing it. In enforcing an award, it is essential to recognize the place of enforcement and the relevant laws. If the award is domestic, it's usually enforced under national arbitration laws. If it's international, the New York Convention of 1958 is most often applicable. This treaty has been ratified by over 165 countries. Under the New York Convention, a country should recognize and enforce awards made in other member states, unless certain narrow exceptions apply. The losing party has limited opportunities to challenge the award. Grounds for refusal to enforce are strictly interpreted. It's interesting to note that according to a 2020 survey by the School of International Arbitration, 83% of respondents felt that the New York Convention is crucial for the effectiveness of international arbitration. If the losing party does not voluntarily comply with the award, the winning party can go to court in the jurisdiction where the losing party's assets are located. Do you need more information about how arbitral awards are enforced? If so, head over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about the process of enforcing arbitral awards? Does it seem simple or complicated? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.